trigonometric equations. We know that 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x. Sin 2 pi plus x is equal to sin x. Tan pi plus x is equal to tan x. But if in all of these, if x was between 0 and 2 pi, then they are called principal solution. N is usually denoted to show that all solution of a trigonometric equation. So in a trigonometric equation, n could be any number. N could be any number like 1, 0, minus 2, etc. Example: sin x is equal to 3 pi by 2. So principal solution are pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, because we know that this is equal to sin pi by 3, and we can also write it as sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. So it is 2 pi by 3. And x is between 0 and 2 pi. As you can see, that pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3 are not crossing 2 pi. This 2 pi by 3 is less than 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 3. Now you can see that there is a plus. And we also know that 2 pi plus pi by 3 is a pi by 3, but it is a wrong answer because x is over 2 pi. Since it is a plus, it is crossing 2 pi. It is over 2 pi, and it should not be more than 2 pi. General solution: if sin x is equal to sin y, this implies x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n by pi by y. So if y was anything, it could come here, and as we all know, n could be any number like 5, 9, minus 1, 0. Cos x plus y. Cos x is equal to cos y. This implies x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. Now plus minus means that it can be also 2n pi plus y and 2n pi minus y. Both of them will have a same meaning. Tan x is equal to tan y, meaning x is equal to n pi by y. In all those, n was a member of integer. N should be an integer. So integer could be 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus even minus 100. So now we have a second example. If sin x is equal to 3 pi by 2, so we know that this is equal to sin pi by 3. So x is equal to 0 pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 3. So if n was equal to 0, then there will be 0 pi plus minus 1 to the power 0 into pi by 3. So we got 0 plus 1 into pi by 3, and this means 1 into pi by 3, which is equal to pi by 3 plus 0. In here n could be any integer. Example 3, cos 3x is equal to 1. Cos 3x is equal to cos 0. So 3x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 0. And then we have to divide 3 from both sides. So here we will get 2n pi by 3 plus minus 0 pi by 3. So x 2n pi by 3 is plus minus 0. So this could be written in two forms, like 2n pi by 3 plus 0 and 2n pi by 3 minus 0. They will have the same meaning. This could be also written as 2n pi by 3 because 0 has no value when we plus or minus it. Now if tan x is equal to pi, if tan x is equal to root 3, if tan x is equal to tan pi by 3, which means root 3. So x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3. So if n was 0, then this will become 0 plus pi by 3, which is equal to pi by 3, and x should be equal to pi by 3.